Peace, peace. Ali, coming back at you on behalf of SAliMyers.com. And I'm currently on location at Cassadaga, Florida, which is considered the psychic capital of the world. So I figured this would be a very good place to do a video talking about psychic abilities and intuition. Real quick, I'll give you a little tour. Like I said, I'm at Cassadaga, Florida, and this is considered the psychic capital of the world. And where I'm at right now is called Spirit Pond, and it's right next to what they call Kobe Lake. So apparently this is one of the healing waters in the area. And since we've been here probably about an hour and a half or so, a lot of different birds, a lot of different eagles, vultures just circle around this area. So it's definitely holding certain spiritual energy, you can tell. And they have a little park up there as well. So let's first define what is intuition. Intuition, if you notice the first word is in, so you know it has a lot to do with something that is internal. And the best way I could describe it is like when you're sitting and you hear that voice inside you, that is part of your intuition because that voice is coming internally. Now, I want to kind of demystify intuition in a sense because people make a popular statement saying that we all have intuition, which is very true. But when you speak about intuition in general, most people are talking about high psychic phenomena and spiritual experiences that are out of this world, quote unquote. That isn't intuition in a sense. That is a heightened sense of psychic ability, a heightened sense of intuition. But intuition in the simplistic terms is an internal voice. Now, when this voice is telling you things that you do not know about, or when this voice is telling you things about things to come or things that's happened in the past, then that is when your intuition is taking another level. But for the simplistic term, intuition just means that internal voice, which we all have. Now, what are some things that you can do to increase intuition? I think that's something that most people want to know about. First off, meditation obviously is one of those things that's going to go on every list when you deal with spirituality. Meditation, meditation, meditation. Well, it is very true when you're dealing with intuition. Meditation is important because meditation has you go within. And there's that key word again, in. You're going to notice when you talk about intuition, internal, inside, eternity, words that start with "and" or have a little connotation that refers to "and" is going to be heavily prevalent because we're talking about an internal thing. So when you do meditation, you're going inside yourself. Even if you're using binaural beats or isochronic tones or listen to meditation tunes or whatever, you're still going inside yourself. So meditation is a very good way to increase intuition, which most people already know. Another thing that isn't stressed as much or highlighted as much, is my opinion, and from my own personal experience, that's why I can speak openly about this, knowing that it's a fact, is increasing the natural foods that you have in your diet. So this is cutting out meats, cutting out a lot of sugars, a lot of manufactured stuff. If you look at what's called alkaline foods are foods that are natural. These are fruits, vegetables, some nuts, and herbs and spices or whatever. But all of these alkaline foods, what they do is they create more electricity in your body. The way your body works is it's going to break your food down to an alkaline ash or an acidic ash. Acidic is something that's draining, just like a battery. Alkaline is something that's energizing and gives you a charge. When you look at psychic phenomena and picking up energy, that's what you're doing, is picking up energy. So the higher your antenna goes, which can be raised by eating higher vibrating foods, mainly alkaline foods, the more you can increase your antenna, the more energy you can pick up. Thus, the more intuitive you'll become. Another thing that you can do is sleep more. Because sleeping is when we are tapped into the subconscious mind. So the more that you get sleep, the more you're going to be able to get into that random eye movement, the REM, and also into the theta, delta, and the gamma wave in your brain waves or whatever. Simply put, the more you're able to listen when you're sleeping. So if you look at sleep, sleep is akin to meditation. Sleep and meditation are very closely related. That's why when people meditate, a lot of times they fall asleep. because you get what's called the hypnagogic state, which is the state right between being awake and being asleep. That is a prime spot for most people to be in when they're meditating, but most people normally fall asleep when they reach that state. So the more sleep you can get, in a nutshell, the more in tune you're going to become, because you're resting your conscious mind and you're tapping into your subconscious mind. Another thing that you can do to increase your intuition is take supplements that are heavily in chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a supplement that increases the amount of melatonin, serotonin in your body. It's basically third eye food. Anything that is heavily enriched with chlorophyll is high power food. So these are your chlorina, spirulina, barley, wheatgrass, and one of my favorites, blue-green algae, which is a very good supplement to take to increase intuition. And lastly, another thing that you can do is look into my psychic development workshop on ssalimyers.com. I lay out a lot more of this material in more in depth, if you would. So if you're really interested in knowing how to increase your intuition, want to go further than this video, which I think is still laced with a lot of jewels, look at that online workshop, ssalimyers.com. Click on events and you'll find out the information there. So this has been Ali, on location in Cassadaga, Florida. If you want to find out more information about myself and what we do, be sure to visit my website, ssalimyers.com. If you're in need of metaphysical tools and supplies, be sure to visit our website, el9shop.com. That's EL, the number 9shop.com. Until next time, peace.